Assalamu Alaikum and welcome to my very first YouTube video. Oh my god, Alhamdulillah. Today's video is a soft everyday look, minimal, fresh and perfect for students, working women. So let's begin. Before filming, I already completed my base makeup off camera to save time. Starting off with the eyes, I used a warm toned matte eyeshadow and blended it into the crease using a fluffy brush. This actually creates a subtle depth, without making it look more dramatic. And next, I just kept blending it until I was actually satisfied with the look. So I just kept blending the same eyeshadow, the same shade in fact. And then I skipped eyeliner. I just want to let you all know that I skipped eyeliner for this look to keep it simple, but you can definitely add a soft brown liner if you want more definition. And then I moved on to blush. I'm using a powder blush today, applying it gently to the apples of my cheeks and blending it upwards. This technique actually gives a natural kind of a look. Not only it brings warmth, but it lifts the entire face. It gives a lifted look. The placement is super important with blush, because if you apply it on the apples of your cheeks, you also have to blend it upwards towards your temples, because it's not just because of the color, because it also lifts the face visually. You get a very elongated look without contouring. That's actually really good. You can also tap it across the nose bridge for that soft sun-kissed look. After blush, I used my eyelash curler to curl the lashes. This step actually makes a huge difference. It opens up the eyes and gives that fresh, awake look, even without false lashes. I applied mascara then. What I actually did was I applied 2 coats on the top lashes and 1 on the bottom. Let me play with the mascara first later and then I can apply. As you all can see, I applied 2 coats on the top and 1 coat on the bottom. So this step not only helps lengthen your lashes, but it also helps separate the lashes nicely. For my glow, I am going to use a subtle highlighter on the high points of my face, such as nose bridge, cheekbones and the inner corners of my eyes, because it gives that soft finish which I absolutely love for everyday looks. As you all can see, you'll actually find me applying a lot of highlighter on all the high points of my face. Just wait and watch. Oh yeah, I was actually afraid that I've applied a lot of highlighter, but it actually ended up very good. The highlighter look, the glowy look looked really nice on my face that day. I really loved that look. I'm gonna apply it on the inner corners as well. I applied a lot, you guys, a lot, as in a lot. I should have not, but it actually looked good. Just wait to watch. Let me know in the comment section if you all really liked the entire look. So moving forward, it's my lip combo. Finally, this is one of my favorite steps. So I used a brown toned nude lip liner to define my lips. I really like that lip liner. That's my favorite shade though. I take a lot of time to just define it. It's just, I take at least 5 minutes or probably 2 minutes for the entire lip combo. That's one of my favorite lipsticks. And look how beautiful that shade is. It's going so well with that lip liner. Just love the shade. Now I am applying a lip stain on the same lipstick to enhance it a little more. And yeah, it's like to give it a little peachy kind of a nude peachy kind of a look. I am defining my lips again because I like doing that. I actually like reapplying the lip liner after I coat my lips with another lipstick so that it looks clean. Now I am applying a gloss on it so that it comes out kind of a glossy look, for a hydrated finish. This is actually my go-to combo because it's natural and it gives a peachy soft look. It keeps it very minimal. That's it. That's exactly why I like going with this lip combo. It's my favorite lip combo. So the makeup is done. Post a little, and this is my favorite hijab. It's a wonderful color. It's a printed modal hijab. That was my outfit. It's a modest fit. Really love that. And this is my final look. As you all can see, this is the final look from different angles. You'll notice how soft and wearable the finish is. The makeup is not cakey or heavy at all. And this is how it looks. I was just trying to adjust the camera lightings. I don't know why. I guess I need to check the camera settings to fix the lighting. But this is the final look. This is how I look with every makeup product on my face. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe. Let me know your favorite part of this video and take care, you lovelies. Bye.